Alright, let's do this. Hey, so we have the iPhone 12 mini right here, and this is the most compact phone after the 10 series that Apple has ever made, with this design that you can see right here. The notch is still intact. It is similar to the 12 Pro, but it has two cameras similar to the 12. Now this is a 5.4-inch phone, and it's supposedly very small and compact. So for hands like mine, I think it should be a very compact and a perfect fit, which is not the same case of the iPhone 12 Pro. It has quite a reach. So let's go ahead and unbox this device and see what we have. Okay, the first things first, we have the phone right in front, and this is the green color. There's no special name for the colors on these phones, but I found this color attractive, so I got this one. And at a first glance, this looks kind of pale, not that green and not that white as well. So it's got different shades. If I could give you a close look at the phone, this is how the phone looks like. Now what we get in the box is similar to the 12 Pro, where you have only the charging cable and the quick start guide with the SIM ejector tool, and we also have the small Apple sticker that no one is actually talking about, because this is the only sticker that we get with the device. Apart from that, the packaging is similar and we don't have much this time. So this phone feels very light and compact. As you can see, it fits perfectly in my hands. It's quite light as well. As you can see, this phone is quite small, and if I have to tell you about the feeling in my hand, it's very light. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels premium, but it feels light. So Apple has done a good job there. Also, one thing to notice is that it has two cameras, which is different from the iPhone 12 Pro that I unboxed recently. So these two cameras are the wide and the ultra wide. Apart from that, there is the finishing. The back is glossy and the sides are the matte finish. So the matte finish feels quite sturdy and quite grippy in the hand. Let's take the cover off. And let's switch on the phone and see how it looks. Now this phone is around 69,900 Indian rupees. You might feel that it's quite expensive, but if you compare this to the flagship level phones of this year, the size and the components that it has, it is going to beat everyone in the segment, and it's going to perform, or rather outperform, all the other phones that are in this level. So if you are planning to buy one this year, I would recommend to hold out, decide, check for phones, see what is right and see what fits you in your budget and in the specifications that you're looking for, and then buy the phone. But I would blindly recommend this because these phones are going to last for almost 5 years, because Apple always gives us the software support that a phone requires. I'll quickly set this up, and then I would install the screen guard and the case on this that I got from Spigen, and we can wrap this video up. So this has been my video for today, the unboxing of the iPhone 12 mini. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe so that I can bring more videos for you guys. We have a lot of surprises coming into this channel, and I'm going to unbox more new stuff.